Hi, everyone, and welcome to Said with Love. And it's less than 100 days till Christmas. Sorry. But as makers, we realize that if we want to make something handmade, something like my beautiful advent calendar, you've got to start a little bit earlier in the year. So I thought it was time to show you my advent calendar and talk about some kits that I've put together. So this one was made with Sweetwater's Holly's Tree Farm, and it's beautiful. I must admit, it's one of my favourite Christmas collections of all time. And it takes two charm packs plus some additional yardage for the Christmas tree, the binding, and then some backing and the little tabs to hold it up. And I've just got mine on a little piece of dowel, and I literally have this hanging up all year round. I don't put it away. So the pattern comes with all the instructions to make these cute little pockets. They've got numbers on the front. I'll talk about the numbers in a bit. Lined inside with a cute little hanger to go on the button, and it's just big enough to fit like a little treat in it, be it a little piece of chocolate or something cute that you want to have as a little bit of fun in the lead up to Christmas. There is also included in the pattern some printable little activities for you. So if you don't want to put a naughty little treat in each day, you can have a little activity card. So things like watching a Christmas movie together, making hot chocolate and stirring it with a candy cane, going and looking at the Christmas tree lights around your town, etc. There's lots of fun different things, making some things for your neighbours as little Christmas gifts and stuff. So this is my advent calendar. So the pattern's a digital PDF. So once you purchase it, it's available for download straight away. I used some fantastic little Christmas buttons that I managed to have, including some cute little gnomes on the tree, some stars, some little snowflakes, and then I put some little button presents underneath the tree. So that was a little bit of fun. So if you've got things like that, you could decorate it that way. You could do it with some stitcheries, some little applique maybe. You have the fun of making it your own. So it is a wonderful little heirloom piece to make for a loved one in your family. I've shared them with quite a few of my family. My niece and little great nephews love it, and every year put it up and have fun. I think they put little Hague's chocolates in it. So the kits. Let's talk numbers first. Actually, let me show you the numbers up front. So the pattern actually includes some numbers that you can cut out of fabric and do some raw edge applique or needle turn applique if you prefer. I managed for this particular version of the calendar to find some of these cute little numbers that were actually printed on fabric. So I actually carefully cut them out and I needle turn appliqued the printed numbers on there, but that is not included in the pattern. But if you manage to find something that has numbers on it, it would be perfect for using that on your advent calendar. Okay, so let's talk kits. So as I said, Holly's Tree Farm was out ages ago. It isn't available to purchase anymore, but I managed to find two charm packs, which is what you need for the pattern. Two charm packs from a friend who was destashing, so I grabbed them, and I have then paired them with some other fabrics from Sweetwater, so match in beautifully. So we've got some different strips that you can use to make your Christmas tree, some Motabella to be your background, this cute little green snow print for the binding, and there's enough of the little snow print in here and there to use those for the numbers as well. And then this gorgeous Christmas tree lodge print for your backing, for the backing on there. So that is available, and there is only one of those kits, but Sweetwater do Christmas regularly. So their new Christmas collection called On Dasher is available. So I've got kits that have the charm packs in it, and then some of their beautiful fabrics for the Christmas tree, some of the red letters, some green presents, grey, and then another Motabella for the background, this cute red for the binding, and the backing is this lovely plaid as well from Sweetwater. So there's a couple of those available. And there are some other gorgeous Christmas collections available at the moment. And one of them is Kitty Christmas, which is so cute. It has the cutest little kitten. Have a closer look. Has the cutest little kitten in it. I've also got panels of this if you would like a really big kitty. And so for this one, I've paired it with a few different fabrics from Sweetwater, from Tasha Noel, a few places, Fig Tree, but keeping with all the colours that are in the Kitty Christmas collection. So again, some strips to make the tree, some strips for the numbers, this lovely red for the binding, and the backing is this beautiful print from Once Upon a Christmas. So there's a few of those kits available. And the last Christmas collection we have is Once Upon a Christmas, which is a beautiful one from Sweetwater Road. And it's got gorgeous prints in it. Lovely, fairly traditional Christmas colours, but with a bit of pink in there as well. And so this kit, we're doing something slightly different. We're using this beautiful Christmas tree print for a solid Christmas tree. And then you've got lovely white background, lovely red print for the binding, the green for your numbers, and the backing is this beautiful tree print in green. So that's the kit for the Once Upon a Christmas. So there you have it, a few beautiful kits available for making your very own advent calendar for this Christmas. And remember, less than 100 days to go till Christmas. Have fun.